Spring is a season of transformation, where nature awakens from winter's slumber, filling the world with fresh colors, soft breezes, and the scent of blooming flowers. It's the perfect time to refresh your home's exterior, and nothing sets the tone quite like a beautiful spring wreath on your front door. A wreath isn't just a decoration, it's a warm welcome, a statement of renewal, and a reflection of your personal style. Whether crafted with delicate florals, vibrant greenery, or charming rustic accents, a well-designed wreath can instantly elevate your entryway, making it feel fresh and inviting. With so many design possibilities, choosing the perfect wreath is an opportunity to get creative and embrace the spirit of the season. From classic floral arrangements bursting with springtime hues to minimalist designs with subtle elegance, a spring wreath is a simple yet impactful way to celebrate the season. In this guide, we'll explore different styles, materials, and DIY ideas to help you find the perfect wreath to enhance your home's curb appeal and welcome guests with a touch of seasonal charm. Floral wreaths are the quintessential springtime decor, bringing the beauty of nature right to your doorstep. With an array of fresh or faux flowers, you can create a wreath that perfectly captures the essence of the season. Tulips, daffodils, cherry blossoms, and peonies are among the most popular choices, offering vibrant colors and delicate textures that mimic the natural awakening of spring. These flowers add a sense of elegance and joy, making them ideal for anyone looking to brighten their entryway. For those who prefer a softer aesthetic, pastel roses, hydrangeas, and baby's breath can create a gentle, romantic look. These flowers pair beautifully with eucalyptus leaves or ivy, adding layers of greenery that make the wreath feel lush and full. A floral wreath doesn't have to be overly complex. Sometimes, a simple arrangement of 3 or 4 different flower varieties can create a stunning effect. Whether you prefer a bold burst of color or a subtle, natural look, floral wreaths offer endless opportunities to bring seasonal beauty to your home. Bring a touch of spring to your doorstep. If you love these wreath ideas, give this video a like and share it with friends. While flowers are a classic choice, greenery-based wreaths offer a refreshing and sophisticated alternative. Using elements like eucalyptus, ferns, boxwood, and olive branches, you can achieve a more understated, nature-inspired look that pairs well with any home style. These wreaths bring a sense of freshness without being overly ornate, making them perfect for those who appreciate minimalist yet elegant decor. Natural elements like twigs, moss, and dried vines can add an organic, rustic touch to your wreath. A grapevine base, for example, provides a sturdy foundation while adding a bit of texture and depth. Some designs even incorporate dried lavender or herbs like rosemary and thyme, infusing the air with a subtle fragrance every time the door opens. By blending different shades of green and layering various textures, a greenery-focused wreath can be a timeless and versatile addition to your spring decor. Which spring wreath style is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. If you're looking for something beyond traditional florals and greenery, consider exploring more creative and unique wreath designs. Wreaths made from woven rattan, macrame, or even driftwood can add a bohemian or coastal vibe to your entrance. Incorporating small decorative elements like miniature bird nests, speckled eggs, or butterfly accents can bring a whimsical, storybook-like charm to your wreath. For those who enjoy a pop of color, ribbon-based wreaths or ones adorned with fabric flowers can create a vibrant, textured look. Felt florals, burlap bows, or even repurposed fabric scraps can give your wreath a handmade, artistic feel. Some people even like to add seasonal signs with cheerful messages, giving their wreath an extra layer of personality. The possibilities are endless, and a uniquely designed wreath ensures your front door stands out while still embracing the joy of spring. For more seasonal decor inspiration, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Deciding between making your own wreath or purchasing one can depend on personal preference, budget, and time constraints. DIY wreaths offer full creative control, allowing you to handpick each flower, greenery, and accent to match your vision perfectly. Plus, crafting your own wreath can be a fun and rewarding experience, especially when using fresh flowers that bring a natural fragrance to your entryway. Whether working with floral foam, a wire frame, or a grapevine base, there are countless ways to personalize a wreath to fit your home's aesthetic. On the other hand, store-bought wreaths provide convenience and long-lasting beauty. Many high-quality artificial wreaths look incredibly realistic and can be reused year after year. These pre-made designs are ideal for those who want a polished, professional look without the hassle of assembly. Whether opting for handmade or store-bought, the most important thing is choosing a wreath that reflects your personality and enhances your home's welcoming atmosphere. Looking for more spring decor ideas? Check out our playlist for fresh inspiration. A spring wreath is more than just a seasonal decoration, it's an expression of warmth, renewal, and hospitality. It's a simple yet meaningful way to transition your home from the cold months of winter to the vibrant energy of spring. Each flower, each leaf, and each decorative accent tells a story, capturing the essence of the season and bringing it right to your doorstep. There's something special about the way a well-placed wreath transforms an entryway. It softens the hard lines of a door, adds a touch of nature to the exterior, and instantly creates a welcoming atmosphere. Whether adorned with soft pastels, bright pops of color, or rustic greenery, a spring wreath sets the tone for the entire home, inviting both guests and residents to embrace the beauty of the season. As spring progresses, the wreath on your front door becomes a part of the home's evolving aesthetic. It mirrors the blossoming flowers in the garden, the fresh scents carried by the breeze, and the lengthening days filled with golden sunlight. It's a celebration of nature's revival, a small yet significant nod to the cycles of life and renewal that define this time of year. The beauty of a wreath lies in its versatility. Some may prefer a full, floral-rich design that bursts with lively hues, while others lean toward minimalist arrangements with soft greenery and delicate accents. No matter the style, the result is the same, a touch of seasonal charm that breathes life into the home's exterior. A front door adorned with a spring wreath signals a fresh start. It tells a story of renewal, hope, and the joy of embracing a new season. It's a small but powerful detail that speaks volumes about the home it belongs to. As the months pass and the warmth of summer approaches, a spring wreath serves as a reminder of fleeting beauty, the delicate petals of a flower, the gentle rustling of fresh leaves, the soft colors that define the early days of the season. But just as spring fades into summer, a wreath can be refreshed, updated, or even replaced to reflect the changing landscape. Decorating with a wreath is an art that connects us to nature, tradition, and personal creativity. It's a practice that has stood the test of time, passed down through generations, evolving with each new season. And as long as spring returns each year, so will the tradition of adorning our doors with symbols of growth, warmth, and beauty. Ultimately, a spring wreath is a reflection of personal style and seasonal joy. It can be a bold statement or a subtle accent, a traditional piece or a modern creation. Whatever the choice, it's a reminder that beauty lies in the details, in the small touches that make a house feel like home. Spring is here, and with it comes the opportunity to refresh, renew, and welcome the season with open arms. A wreath is just the beginning, a doorway to endless possibilities. Want to get these beautiful wreaths? Find the links to featured products in the description. Whether handcrafted with love or thoughtfully selected, it's an opportunity to infuse personality into a home. Some may choose vibrant floral arrangements that capture the wild beauty of spring meadows, while others may opt for understated elegance with neutral tones and soft textures. There's something deeply personal about choosing or creating a wreath. It's a process that involves care, attention, and an appreciation for detail. Each petal, each sprig, and each ribbon is placed with intention, forming a harmonious composition that represents both the season and the heart of the home. The joy of a spring wreath extends beyond its physical beauty. It serves as a small yet profound reminder of nature's cycles, of renewal, and of the comfort that comes with familiar traditions. It tells a story, one that evolves with the season and continues to bring joy, day after day. As the sun sets and the soft glow of evening settles in, a wreath remains on the door, a quiet, beautiful presence, welcoming all who arrive and standing as a testament to the beauty of the season. It is more than just decoration, it is a reflection of home, a symbol of warmth, and a celebration of spring's endless charm.